Hey guys, welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, a special welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on QuillBot. QuillBot is an application that helps you rephrase words and sentences, and it also checks your grammar, which makes writing a lot easier. So, to get started, just open your web browser and go to QuillBot.com. And once the page loads, you'll be taken directly to the QuillBot website. And from there, head over to the top right corner and click on the profile or human icon. Then we can select the login or sign up and then click on the sign up option to create a new account. You'll see a few sign up options. You can use your Google, Facebook, or Apple account, but for this video, we'll be using an email address. So simply enter your email and then create a password, making sure it meets the requirements, and then type in your name. After that, click continue, and just like that, your QuillBot account is successfully created. But before you start using the tools, you'll just need to answer a few quick setup questions, and you can start using QuillBot. And that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.